Your speed test is 5 Mbps, but you want it to be 600 Mbps. How do you do that? Let's search speed test. Then we pick this first website, speedtest.net. Through the website, we will click go to get our genuine test results, and we can see it's doing the tests for the upload, for the download speed. Apparently we are around 160, 150. Finally it's at 149. Okay, that's download speed. Then the upload speed, let's see, around 8, 9. So we want a download of around 600 and upload of about 150. How do we do that? We have 149 and 149 and 10. So we will first right click on the download, then click inspect. Then we can see where we have the 149 figure. Right click, we just select it and edit it to 642. That's what we want. You can see it's changed. Do the same for upload speed. Change it from 10 to the figure you want. Let's have we have 157. Oh, that's good. So then we will click file cancel, and we have a download and an upload that we wanted.